Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called Perfect. It is a two-wall dance and only two parts. Now, before I teach you the line dance, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. This is the instructional. If you're interested in the demo to the music, watch till the end. So let's get it. Let me tell y'all something. I'm so fascinated by this choreographer. Her name, ALICIA Williams. She really understands music. She really understands steps. If you haven't subscribed to her YouTube channel, please do so and go look at some of her previous work. If you are an instructor or an upcoming choreographer, I would look at her, watch her channel, listen to her music, look at the steps that she puts, the way she puts the choreography to the steps. It's just so plain. It's almost like, okay, if this particular line dance I'm going to teach you is two parts, and you know exactly why. Exactly why. Part one goes to this part of the song, and part two goes to that part of the song. So if you're an upcoming choreographer, you really need to look at, this is one of the choreographers that I will watch. I'm just fascinated with her music selection and also the steps that she puts to the song. So let's get busy. So it's a two-wall dance. There's no changes in this dance. There's not a tag and no bridge. So what does that mean? That means you're going to do part one, part two, part one, part two, part one, part two. No changes, okay? No tags. What you mean? What is tags? Some extra beats like 6 counts or 8 counts. That's not that. A bridge. Bridge is like an extra verse that makes sounds a little different. You might have a rapper in the song or whatever. We don't have that, okay? But it is a two-wall dance. So let's get busy. So part one. So stand on this side of the room and look in this direction, okay? So we're gonna do the same part twice in part one. So the way it's gonna be on the left, you go up, back on the right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what did I do? I step up, back, step, up, back, out. And then it's gonna go into the travel step, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, out 8. Then I'm gonna travel with that left going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Okay, that's all a part of one, and I'm going to repeat it again. So I did a quarter turn on 7, 8. 7, 8. With my left shoulder coming back. Okay, so that's part one. So let's do that twice. Okay, so when we do it twice, it's going to bring us to the back wall. Same thing twice. 5, 6, 7. Right up. It's 1, 2, 3, step 4. Up 5, 6. Back 7, out 8. Travel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Up 1, 2, 3. Step 4. Up 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. There you go. All part of one. Okay. Now we're gonna do part two. That's it. That's it. We go into part two. Part two, we're going to do it twice, just like we did part one. But when we do it twice, it's going to bring us back here, and we're going to already be on our second wall. So we're going to roll to the right, and then we're going to brush and roll to the left. This is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, brush 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? That's what we're going to do. So we roll to the right. 1, 2, 3, brush 4, left 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Then we're going to roll back on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, tap 8. That's all a part of two. And I told you we're going to do it twice, right? Let's do it twice. Roll to the right. 1, 2, 3. Brush 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. End of dance. Start over. 1. But I go back to part 1. So we're going to put 1 and 2 together, okay? So when you do that brush, your left shoulder come forward. It's a half turn, okay? So when you roll to the right, 1, 2, 3. Left shoulder come forward. You go into the back wall. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Right back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left back. 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Then you do the same thing again. Roll 1, 2, 3. Brush 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. End of dance. Now since we at this wall here, let's go back to the top. Part 1. 1, 2. Back 3. Step 4. Up 5, 6, 7, out 8. Travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left shoulder back. Quarter turn on 7, 8. Okay? You're looking back at the camera, but we're doing the same thing over again. Up and back. It's 1, 2, 3. Step 4. Left 5, 6, 7. Out 8. Travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Brush 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Brush 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And start the dance over. Now, when you look at this dance, it looks like it's a lot, but it isn't. You're just doing part 1 twice. Once you do part 1 twice, it's going to bring you to your second wall. Then we do part 2 twice. Part 2 brings you to your second wall. Then you start the dance over. It is a 2-wall dance, no tags, no changes in the dance, and no bridge. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. ALICIA is one of my favorite beginners. She does beginners, high beginners, beginners, intermediate choreographers. So if you are an upcoming choreographer and if you're an instructor, it is so important, even as an instructor, to understand choreography, okay? I teach my people to understand choreography, to understand that this part here we're going to do on the verse. This part here we're going to do on the chorus. This is why we do the tag. I teach my class that. So it is a template that we apply to each and every dance, okay? So instructors, if you teach your student that, they'll understand it, okay? Every song is pretty much the same. It's going to be a 32 count. You do it at all 4 walls, or it's going to be 2 parts or 3 parts with a tag or bridge or whatever. You use the same template, okay? So I teach my class to understand that. To understand choreography is part 1 is going to be the verse. It's the chorus. This is what you do with the tag. This is why this is the bridge. And then they understand. We use that template for every song, every dance, okay? So that is perfect. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and definitely share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.